Hey fish, welcome to my show. How's it going? I heard you had a little trouble lately and you got some support and advice and help, and that was greatly appreciated. I think I got a video. Oh yeah, man, it's about laying my camera down, looking back up to the sky and just rolling over it. I do like the way the camera sits on the Cannondale Adventure 2 and the center handlebars. There's enough room on the stems fork that goes up and down. And fits there nicely. Put a piece of Velcro around it and it makes it locked in. It doesn't vibrate or jiggle as I ride. If I want to turn the camera around, I just loosen it up, I swivel it around and I lock it down. I don't leave it loose because it has slipped down and it jiggle inside the clamp. My last vlog I talked about DJI, the Osmo Pocket 3. I haven't used it lately. I was going to put it on the mount here, but that's a square thing. Let's mosey along and see what we could film. If I have my light on, it'll probably reflect into the camera or reflect back into me because the mount is right next to the light. So the light's on right now, but prior it was off. So I could give you an idea if it is flashing or not. But to have a light on is best. And you're just gonna have to bear with it like I'm bearing with it with me. Yeah, the originals, we always see them. As we turn on to the boardwalk, let's ride on by. There's a busy pass on the boardwalk today. Pier, bridge, whatever you want to call it. You notice we're shaking as we're riding? That's the clamp. Maybe I do got it down right. Maybe I do need to put a piece of foam in the middle, but it is clamped down on all. I could have tightened down just a little bit more. It will shake. It will shake. I re-stopped, taking the Velcro off and readjusted. Now it's not shaking. Just amazing. Well, I do have enough battery juice to do this vlog, and that's about it. I'll leave my camera on the whole time. We'll head down towards the end and continue on and make our turn and get on down to the shore. Are you sure? Picking the garbage. Come down to the very end, gonna work our way back. Collect the bottles before they get recycled. Is your Porsche looking like this? With a nice little blankie over it? Or does your little Tesla have one of those stickers on it saying something? Like I say, pull a chair up, sit down to the side of the road, and you'll see it all. I don't know if this camera's gonna make the whole vlog today. I'm like really seeing the red zone. I'm turning. I'm getting on that sidewalk. And I want to get to the park, have a little chat, and I could end it just like that. Every time I come here, it's always something a little different. Don't see anything different today. So I gotta get onto the grass, do my best to pass, take my time on muddy bottom. Yeah, I went by pretty fast today. I don't want to scoot by super fast in sports mode. Well, I'll be down by my bench and doing my chat, my talk. And yes, indeed, I got something that will give me some power. All right, my bench seat looks dry to me. There's my cable. And there's my power source right there if I need it. Seat's wet, 28%. Yeah, there's a lot I could talk about, a lot I could do, a lot I could say. I don't like going through the water and collecting sand in the tires because then it becomes slippery and bring it into the house because it don't dry off in time. You know what I mean. I don't know if I got HB on or RS on. I know I don't got RS Plus, which I don't use. And the DJI Osmo Action 4 does a good job. But if I wanted to, enlarge a little and rotate a little like this, I can do so. I'm looking, and I got RS on because I could see 4K 30 RS. And now I could be straight out. I just felt a little mushy when I stepped down, but no, I didn't step in dog poop. So there you have the sun coming up over here in your face. Not like that silhouette shot. But it's not much we can see today. Yes, we can. Did you see those birds just go by low on the shore, the water? Oh yeah, man. All the birds out there flying. So it is that time. So I can go grab my camera and get on out of here in the few. I gotta go meet a cup of Joe, and I gotta go rejuvenate you, and I gotta make sure, because now I use two cameras. Hey, peace. Yeah, I use the GoPro Hero 10, which I don't have today, which I did yesterday, and yeah, I made a mistake, user error. I said, how many clips do I got on here? Do I need them all? I could get rid of them, and I did a Eco Road ECH scooter ride, and I said, this one looks like a previous clip I did. Let me get rid of it. It was the beginning clip of the scooter ride that I was going to do a comparison with DJI, saying, which cameras do you like best when I'm on the scooter? Do you like the GoPro or the DJI? But I had one on top of the helmet over here, and I had the one over here. Which do you like best? Being on the bike, stationary, not moving, or on the helmet that kind of moves all around? So I am probably going to take it off of there, put it up here, and just finish my ride with it. If I'm going to talk, I'm going to talk. If not, not. And whatever it captures on the last one, so be it. And on that note, I got to get going. I got 16% battery life. I think that's enough to get the film I need. I'm getting on out of here. Like I said, I already got my camera set up and I feel top heavy. I don't like being top heavy on a helmet because everything just wobbles around. Let's get on out, get on where we need to be at, take care of business, and get my daily vlog placed up. Enjoy the rest of the ride. Man, that was a nice right turn. Not sure which way he's going, but I'm making a right turn. Most likely he'll back up into the street and he'll go down and have oil there. That's what he's doing. We made it across, and we end our shot right over here by the water. What a way to end the shot, man. Bees are fishing for honey.